إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Thank you so much, Ahad. Good morning, all of you. I hope everyone is getting my screen to their screens.
Yes, sir.
You can check your thought of the day from Mahdi English School for all the children of our school. Mistakes
Yes,
are
sir.
the proof. Can you see the screen? Mistakes are the proof that you are trying. I hope everyone is getting the statements.
Yes.
Whatever you do, first time, second time, third time, you do not have to worry. Sometime it happens that the mistakes will be there from everyone, not even you, not even from your parents, even from your teachers, even from your elders, from your youngers. First time, second time, mistakes are there. We are human beings, and once we make a mistake, we learn a lot of things from it. It opens our mind how to work on the second time, third time on that. So mistakes makes man perfect, and whenever you do mistakes are the proof that we are continuously trying our level best. Is that all clear, boys? Are you all cleared? Boys,
Yes, sir.
are you cleared? I spoke something about the thought of the day.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now, who will tell me up till what we have finished in our class? I have everything written on it, but I want to know from your end.
Sir, chapter 3, exercise 3.4.
AM, Ahad, exercise 3.6 we finished,
Oh.
not 3.4. The last exercise is left of chapter number 3. We finished this. તું સૂતો હોઈશ તો મને ખબર નથી અહદ, કે તું શાદી બાદીમાં બહારગામ ગયો તો. હેલો, હેલો.
Yes, sir.
We have completed this in our last lecture. Last lecture તો રિવાઇઝ કરાવ્યું, એના પહેલાના lectureમાં exercise 3.6 we finished.
Yes, sir.
We are in exercise 3.7 now. Come on. Exercise 3.7. Who will read this question? Boys,
Yes, sir.
who will read this question?
So can I appear again, Vasan?
Yes.
Question 1. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kilo and 79 and 69 kilo. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times.
So what we have to do here, Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizer of weight. બે બેગ પરચેસ કરી, કયા કયા વેઇટની? 75 kg and 69 kg. We have to find the maximum value of weight. Maximum value of weight એટલે આ બંનેનું maximum, highest weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. That means we have to do LCM. Is that clear? કે HCF શું કરવું પડે?
LCM.
સરે કીધું એટલે LCM હે ને? We have to follow HCF, that is highest common factor. The maximum value is written here. So we have to get through with the HCF. HCF of 75. 75 and 69. Got it? 75, how you will get? 3 25s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. Same way for 69. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 23 is prime number, so 23 ones are 23. Here there is a mistake. It is not 69, it has to be 23. Okay? It has to be what? 23 here.
23.
So now what are the factors we got for 75? For finding the maximum weight. Maximum, a word itself shows that we have to find the highest common factor here. So 75 na factors so I have 3 into 5 into 5. Factors of 69 is 3 into 23. So common are what?
3.
And there is no other except 3. 3 સાથે બીજું કઈ હોય, for example 5 હોય તો multiply થાય. Are you getting? So total so have 15. But we don't have anything along with 3. Are you getting? So 3 is only common in both. So highest common factor is what? 3. So we can write therefore the required weight is 3 kilogram. So highest maximum value of weight શું આવશે? 3 kilogram out
3
of these
kilogram.
two. Yes, which will be repeated exact number of times. समझ पड़ी क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt with question number 1?
No, sir.
See, આમાં directly factors અહીંયા મૂકેલા છે like this. We don't have to keep like this. We have to follow this method. આ method કરીને આ step મૂકવાનું. Are you getting my point, boys?
Yes, sir.
આ step કરીને આ step મૂકવાનું. This you have to follow. Then you have to pursue with the highest common factors. Got it? Like this. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Boys? So don't forget to write the steps as per the sir is showing you right here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo. Now, next question. Who will read? Nakvi?
Yes, sir. Can I get a question?
Yes, beta.
Okay, sir. Number 2. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter, and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the maximum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps?
What they are saying? 3 boys get off together from the same distance, from the same spot. Are you getting? હવે એના બધાના વોકિંગના સ્ટેપ્સ થોડાક અલગ અલગ છે. So some are at the 63 centimeter, some are at 7, one boy is at 70 centimeter, one child is at 77 centimeter. So they are asking what is the maximum distance? એવો કયો એવો distance છે જે કવર કરે તો બધા ત્રણે ત્રણ equal complete steps કરી શકે. Are you getting the question?
Yes, sir.
So now answer. For finding minimum distance, અહીંયા maximum આપેલું છે. This is a printing error. It has to be minimum distance. Boys? Maximum nahi aave. Over here it will
Yes,
be
sir.
minimum distance. Why? Because
Okay,
we have
sir.
to find the LCM. Because this sum
Sir,
is of
because minimum
LCM.
is there.
Yes. This sum is of LCM. Why? Because they want the steps to be recognized કે આ 63 થી ક્યાં સુધી પહોંચે like this. See, 63 છે, right? 63 છે, 70 છે and 77 છે. Okay? This 70 is here, 63 is here. Okay? Boys?
Yes, sir.
So they want to recognize કે એવો કયો નંબર છે મિનિમમ જ્યાં ત્રણેય સાથે થઈ શકે. Understood? ત્રણે ત્રણ સાથે થઈ શકે એવો કયો નંબર છે. So once they started from here, but right now one is at 63 centimeter, one is at 70 and another one is at 77. સમજાઈ ગયું? So what we have to do is we have to get the least common factors, least common multiple, so that at there they will be you will be able to see the criteria that all three can cover the equal distance. So for finding the minimum distance we have to find the LCM 63, 70 and 77. So you can see here the LCM as shown here. 63, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 7 11s are 77. Any doubt here with this?
No, sir.
Again, I know that we have to get with the smallest prime number. આ direct 7 થી કર્યું, પછી 9 થી કર્યું. 9 થી ને 10 થી એટલે કરેલું છે because they don't have any other number. સમજાય છે? But how to do this? I will show you 63, 70 and 77. These are the three numbers we got.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to go with LCM is right here. See. First, the minimum table can be used as 2 because 70 can go with 2. So 63 will be as it is. Barabar? 235s are 70 and 77 will be as it is. Any doubt with this? ચલો ને 63 લખી જ નાખું છું.
No, sir.
Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now we can divide this with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 35 cannot divide by 3, so 35 will be as it is. 77 cannot divide by 3, so it will be as it is. Okay? Again, this can go with 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 cannot divide 35, so it will be as it is. 77 as it is. Now all three of them, one can go with 5, then 7 as it is. 7 5s are 35, so 5 7s are 35 and 77 as it is. Any doubt here? Then we
No,
can
sir.
go with 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 11s are 77. So last digit what we will get is 11. We will get 1, 1 and 1 in denominator. So we got 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. So they are getting 7 and 11. They took 5 and 2 together and they took this 3 3s are 9 together. Can you see this right here? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
but આ તો ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં પ્લેસની એરરો એટલે આ રીતે કર્યું હોય. We have to go with this only. The minimum prime number will be taken first. જો 2 પછી પેલા બધા 3 આવ્યા, 3 પછી 5 લીધા, 5 પછી 7 લીધા, 7 પછી કોઈ નથી, 11 લીધું. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now the LCM, after multiplying all these numbers, what we got, the total will be the LCM of 63, 70, and 77 are 7 into 9. 9 ને આપણે 3 into 3 મૂકી શકીએ and 10 ને આપણે મૂકી શકીએ 5 into 2. આપણે બહુ લાંબુ નથી કરવું અત્યારે. So 7 into 9 into 10 into 11, which gives us 6,930 centimeter. કેટલું આવ્યું after multiplying all these numbers? What is the answer we got? 6,930 centimeter. Got it?
સર અમારે તમારે લોંગ એલસીએમ કરવાનું છે કે અહીંયા આપેલું છે ઈ કરવાનું છે?
ઘડી ઘડી એકના એક ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછમાં શું લોંગ એનસીએમ ને આમાં અહીંયા આપેલું ને શું નોનસેન્સગીરી કરે તું? You have to follow this method. આ મેથડ નથી દેખાડી અહીંયા? આવા સિલી ક્વેશ્ચન્સ નહીં પૂછવાનો, સેકન્ડ થર્ડ ના નથી હવે તમે. You are in 6th standard. You have to grow up now. મેથડ તો દેખાડવી જ પડે ને, નકર આમનામ થોડા માર્ક્સ આપશે સર કાંઈ. Therefore, conclusion, you have to write conclusion. Therefore, the minimum distance at what they will be getting together is 6,930 centimeter. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubt with this, boys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, chalo. Next question. Who will read next question?
Sir, can I know फिर आगे क्वेश्चन?
Yes.
Number 3. The length, breadth, and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter, and 450 centimeter respectively. Find
Very good.
the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly.
Dimensional of the room exactly. So length, breadth, and height is given. Are you getting? बराबर क्या नहीं? So 825
Yes, sir.
centimeter,
Yes.
675 centimeter, 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest step. That means what? Longest step means what? Means longest step means highest common
Yes.
factor. समझाई છે કે નહીં? જો સમ સમજો.
Yes,
The word which was used here was minimum. So minimum એટલે શું? Least common multiple. In the first sum, the word which was used was maximum. Maximum means was highest common factor. સમજાય છે? In third question, it is a word used is longest step. Longest ક્યારે મળે આપણી પાસે?
Sir, જ્યારે maximum હોય.
Maximum લેવાનું હોય ત્યારે. So maximum means what? Again, highest common factor. સમજ પડે છે કઈ રીતે ખબર પડે કે HCF નો સમ છે કે LCM નો? We have
હા,
to
sir.
recognize from the question itself. સમજાયું કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Now, the highest common factor, the measurement of the longest tape is equal to HCF. HCF of 825, 675, and 450 centimeter. Check here. I'm showing you with the help of divisible method. 800 and sorry. 800 and first sum was अरे $825. Second question, second sum is 675, right? Sorry, 675. And the third one is 450. So all these three has to be get with the minimum factors The least common factors. Okay, maximum factors. First thing, last term is 5, so it will be divided by 5 or 10. 5 itself. No, 3 साथ जैसे 8 plus 2 is 3. Sorry, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So whole this number is divisible by 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 sevens are 21. 3 fives are 15. Now 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 is not divided by 3. So the number will be divided by 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. બરાબર છે 5 fives are 25. 2 આમાંથી વહીતો તો 2 અહીંયા લાગે તો it will be converted to 25 here.
Yes,
સમજાય
sir.
છે? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now again, the sum will be divided by 5. 5 11s are 55. So 11 itself is a prime number. We got 1 year at the end. So 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. So we got 3 into 5 into 5 into 11 as a factor of 825. Now 675. 675 starting with 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So whole 675 is divisible by 3. Ito ખબર છે ને divisibility test. 3 twos are 6.
Yes, sir.
Again 3 twos are 6. 1 is left. 3 fives are 15. So 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divided by 3. So 3 સાથે 225 પણ જશે. 3 sevens are 21. 3 fives are 15. 21 તો અહીંયા 15 થઈ જશે ને. So 3 fives are 15. બરાબર ને?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
7 plus 5 is 12. Again 12 is divided by 3. So 3 twos are 6. 3 fives are 15. Any doubt here? Now
No, sir.
25. 5 fives
5
are
fives are 25.
25. Again 5 ones are 5. Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir.
So you got 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 3 how many times? 3 times, and 5 2 times. Can we see here 3 3 times and 5 2 times? Are you getting? Now
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
450.
Yes, sir.
450. Last digit is 0, so we will start with 2 here. 0 to 8. 0, 4, 6, 8. So it will be divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. Again 2 twos are 4. 1 વયધો અહીંયા. 2 fives are 10. Now 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divided by 3. So 3 સાથે 225 જશે. 3 sevens are 21. 3 fives are 15. Now 5, sorry, again 3. I'm so sorry. Again 3. 3 25s are. Now 5 fives are. 5 ones are. Any doubt here? So what we got? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 3 2 times, 5 2 times. We got it? 2 1 times.
Yes, sir.
Joel Vaku. We got all three as factors, the prime factors.
Yes,
Prime
sir.
factors here.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Now we have to find the common. Common between all three is how many? First, highest common lakwa pela. We will find the common factor first. Okay? Common factors are, can I see 3 in first one, second one, and third one? So I will write 3
Yes,
here.
sir.
Comma.
And
Then
5 also, sir. 5.
5 also. 5, 5, and 5. Okay, 5 I
These
will
two
write.
are only common.
Then 5, 5, and again one more 5. So we got 2, 5, and 1, 3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So these
Yes,
are
sir.
the common factors we got, 3, 5, and 5. Now next step, highest common factor we want to find. So we will multiply all three of them. 3 into 5 into 5, we get 75 centimeter. Therefore, the longest step will required is 75 centimeter. Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
श्योर बच्चा पार्टी?
Yes, sir. Sure.
ओके
Yes,
चलो,
sir.
वेरी गुड. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
So can I read the Piragi question?
हाँ बेटा.
Determine the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12.
चलो, what we have to do here, we have to determine the smallest three digit number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. कोई कही सकते हैं? We all know the smallest three digit number is what?
Smallest three-digit number is 100.
100 છે. Are you getting? But 100 આપણે કઈ લેવા દેવા નથી. We have to write that the smallest three digit number is 100, but it is not divisible by 6, 8 and 12, all three of them. સમજાય છે? એવો કયો
Yes,
થ્રી
sir.
ડિજિટ નંબર છે નાનામાં નાનો કે આ ત્રણેય નંબર સાથે ડિવાઈડ થઈ શકે? So we have to take LCM. Am I right or wrong? 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again 2, sorry. Again 2, 3 as it is, 1 and 3 as it is. Now 3s are. Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir.
Sorry. When I say 1, 1 and 1. So LCM is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we got 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So we got 24 as our LCM. બરાબર ને? 24 LCM છે ને આપણો?
Yes, sir.
So 24 is our LCM. 24 is our LCM. Now if we want to get the thing as if the number which is divided by all these three. So જો 6 સાથે કરો તો પણ થશે, 8 સાથે પણ થશે અને 12 સાથે પણ થશે, 24. So this is the smallest number which can be divisible by all three of them. Smallest
sir, we have
two
to-
digit number. Smallest
Yes,
two
sir.
digit number. We have to find smallest three digit number.
Three-digit number.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં? So what we
Yes,
will do
yes.
now, we will divide what we have to do, we will divide either with this by 24 or we can directly go with 24 multiplied by, check out 5. 5 4s are 20, 2 up, 5 2s are 10. You got 120 here. Are you getting? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
નહીં.
sir.
Now if you check out 24 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1 up, 4 2s are 8. So this is the highest two digit number which can be divided by all these three. And the smallest two digit number is multiplied with 5, which is 120. So 120 is the number which can be divided by 6 also, which can be divided by 8 also, and which can be divided by 12 also. સમજાય છે? The smallest
Yes,
three
sir.
digit number, what we can see here is 120. How to write in this is you don't have to do all this. You don't have to do all this. If you want to do with this, then also it's okay. I don't mind. If we divide 24 by 100, whatever remainder, we have to just subtract it from 24. We will get 100 plus 20. You will get 120. So આ મેથડ કઈ છે? જો ટેક્સ્ટમાં જે કરેલી છે what we got? The smallest 3 digit number is 100. Okay. So 100 ne શું કર્યું છે? What the LCM we got? 24. So
Yes.
24 fours are, can I say 96? So અહીંયા શું વધ્યું?
Yes, sir.
4. Are you getting? So now 24 was the divisible, remainder is 4. We got subtracted these two. We got difference of 20. સમજાય છે? So એ 20 ને શું કર્યું? 100 માં એડ કરી દીધું. So you got 120 as your smallest 3 digit number. સમજ પડે છે કે નથી પડતી?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે boys?
Yes, sir. સમજાય છે.
What we have to do, હવે એમ ન કરવું હોય તો you can multiply the thing, રફમાં કરીને જોઈ લેવાનું. You can multiply 24 into 5. You can do like this also. 120. So this is the smallest. And 100 માં શું કરવાનું? કેટલા ઘટે આપણે 120 માટે? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Or as I told you, we can show like this. The smallest 3 digit number is 100. Okay, first step. We got LCM as our 24. Any doubt here? Now to find the number, we have to divide 100. 100 આપણો smallest 3 digit number છે. Divide by 24. 24 fours are 96. Okay? Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir.
So what is remainder we got?
4.
4. So 4 જે વધ્યું છે એને 24 માંથી શું કરવાનું છે? Minus. Subtract it. What is the difference we got? 20. Therefore, the required number is 100 plus 20. 24 minus 4 will be 20. So 100 plus 20 is 120. Therefore, the smallest 3 digit number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12 is 120. Have you all understood both the method, boys?
Yes, sir.
It is up to you. You can use any of one you want, okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up till here, boys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Your homework is to complete all the sums up till question number 4, exercise 3.7 in your fair book, and one time all the sums has to be done in your rough book. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well. Enjoy your next 3 lectures, boys. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
sir.
Bye-bye. Khuda Hafiz, Naqvi.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Khuda Hafiz, beta.